What's happening, YouTube? So we got this Seeker mini chainsaw, 20 volt. Comes with two batteries. Two batteries right here, two chains, plus the chain that's on the saw, and then the tools. Looks a little loose, so probably tighten this up a little bit.
Oops. Trying to do that. It's not working.
But we're gonna get out in the yard and play with it for a bit. So
We'll be back.
back.
This is our garden. It's hugely overgrown. We haven't really done much gardening this year. I'm not really sure why. But here's this little chainsaw at work. We've got this huge poplar that has roots growing right up to the house basically, and it's taking over the yard. So these are all the little poplar trees that we're cutting down right now.
It's working like a hot damn, actually.
Yeah.
I like this thing.
Look at that root, hey?
Nasty wasp right there.
Oh, don't, yeah. Careful of him.
Step on him. He's gonna walk away from him.
Yeah. It's a pretty neat little thing, hey?
Looks like a hot damn. So Canada is on fire big time, and ooh, still way too fast. The sky is all like nasty orange because of all the cloud or the smoke from all the fires in BC.
Yeah, it's pretty gross
Like,
right now.
There's conflicting reports about how many hectares, from 20 million to right up to 33 million hectares of Canada is burnt, and we're still like, well, we still have at least one more month of fire.
Yeah. Yeah, it's harsh.
But yeah, this thing seems to be working pretty good. I'd like to see how long the battery lasts.
Please excuse the state of our yard. We just really haven't.
I've literally done absolutely nothing as far as yard work.
We just, I don't know. We just haven't. Just haven't. No excuse for it. Just haven't. So it's pretty gross in here.
I blame my laziness,
Yeah.
honestly. But I'm gonna crack on. I'll make a big pile of it, and we'll see how long the battery lasts.
Okay.
It comes with two, so
Should I pause it, or did you want to make another video?
I think I'll make another video.
Okay.
But so far so good. Like,
It's cute and it's handy.
I mean it.
It's,
I mean it. Usually. And it's going hard, and I'm
Yeah.
like a bull in a china shop at best, but it should hold on. Plus, it comes with 3 chains, like this chain, and then 2 extra chains as well. So we'll see how it lasts. Maxwell from Seeker, thank you again for reaching out.
Thank you very much.
So far so good. I mean, we've got butterfly bushes, lilacs, wisterias,
Anything you can think of.
trees, cherry trees, and we got tons of blackberries. So this will
Definitely help, that's for
be
sure.
coming in handy for sure. So
Mm-hmm.
see you on the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, all that good stuff, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.